Yeah, it's great to be back at this park situated just outside Mex. First time here since 2023. And getting on Monster, more about that very shortly. But in front you have got Comet, very old Vekoma roller coaster. This one dates back to the 80s. Single loop, double corkscrew format. It's still a little bit tight on the old shoulders when you're just coming out of the loop. That hasn't changed since my last visit here. Still running on the old Arrow trains, as you can see, but they're pretty decent coaster as they come. Well, it's fantastic to finally seal the deal and get this one. The Monster, and as you can see, nice B&M invert. It were alright, it were a bit rattly where we were, I think we were third row. But the inversions are good. The final helix on the ride, quite intense that. Overall, good coaster. I think that used to be a bit of a mid-course break, it didn't slow us down at all, that. Into the final inversion, as I said, then you go into a really forceful downward helix. I'll try and get front row for you in a bit. Here we go. Enjoy Monster. Model. Yeah, you've got to get these old Vekomas in. Right, here we go. Well, never mind about the coasters. I think this guy's going to get quite a lot of visiting today. The Snake, giving us a nice fountain show there. Yeah, I found this log flume a bit naff. One drop, you didn't get particularly wet, even though it looks like you get wet there. A bit nervous. Anaconda just leaving the station. Left to a really nice station actually, this. Nice and green. Yeah, quick sum up as we exit our 6th and final park of the trip. Real buzz this has been. All 6 parks been really friendly staff, been really good ride operations. Probably the ride of the trip for me is Exhibition G-Force. I just think that is an amazing roller coaster. And probably surprisingly, park of the trip was Price Park Plum. I don't know, it just had a unique feel about it. Really nice sort of vibe. Staff were really awesome as well. So yeah, hope you've enjoyed this last week or so. I certainly have. Sarah, just a quick one. Have you enjoyed yourself?
Yeah, it's been really, really good. Actually, quite a good trip to be fair.
Really good trip, yeah. I don't know what's coming next. Andy and myself, we're off to Devon 2-week Friday. We'll probably do a little video for that. And the entrance is just over there. You've got the wave swinger behind. I ain't got any off-ride of that. Also, I didn't manage to get the area where the Treetops coaster from Oakwood's going in, but it's just footers. There's nothing really to see. There's no construction. So anyway, for this one, it is 2.5 for now. Thank you very much for watching, and I will catch you very soon. Walygator, great park. Get yourself here.